Surti Locho is a very famous Gujarati farsan in Surat and a favorite to everyone. So let's make my version of it. Take 1 cup of chana dal and 1/3 cup of urad dal. Wash it thoroughly and soak overnight. Grind into a coarse paste with the help of curd, ginger and green chilli. Add haldi, hing and salt to taste to the batter. And then add water gradually. Whisk it properly to get a semi-thick consistency. Add green garlic and crushed garlic too for that extra garlicky flavor. Just before steaming, add Eno to the batter and mix well. Grease a thali with oil and pour the locha batter on it. Now, in a preheated cooker, steam the locho for 12 to 15 minutes on high flame. For the masala, I have combined black salt, Kashmiri lal mirch, black pepper and Jeera powder. Mix everything well and keep aside. Once steamed, take out the locho and demold it immediately. Add some melted butter, the prepared masala, some save and of course some onions. Enjoy with some hot chai or coffee.